Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious picadillo con fideo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our tomato broth. To a blender cup, we're going to be adding 5 roasted tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, 7 ounces of tomato sauce, and all of our seasonings. We're going to be blending with 4 cups of water. Now blend till smooth. Okay, so once we have that, now we're going to set it to the side so we can get ready to begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by setting our pot over medium heat. To that, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Okay, and once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 7 ounces of fideo. And we're just going to toast it until it's nice and golden. Make sure that you move it constantly so like that they don't burn. Alright, so after 5 minutes, our fideo should be nice and golden. So here we're going to remove them from the pot. Okay, once we remove it from the pot, we're just going to set it to the side. Okay, now returning to our pot, we're going to add 1 jalapeno and 1/4 of an onion. And we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our 1 pound of ground beef. Going to begin to break it down. Okay, and here we're going to add all of our spices. Just going to mix it and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes or just until it's nice and brown. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to add our 2 medium potatoes along with our carrots. We're going to mix it in and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove any grease that your meat might let out. And here I'm also going to be adding 1 jalapeno and 1 corn. Going to mix it. Okay, so now we can get ready to add our sauce. Going to add about another cup of water. And now just mix it and bring it to a simmer. Alright, so once our picadillo comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see you need to adjust it. But here we're going to be adding our 1 calabacita along with the fideo. Just going to mix it. Sprinkle it with some cilantro. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until our potatoes are nice and tender. Alright guys, and after about 10 minutes, our delicious picadillo con fideo should be done. So here, just make sure that your potatoes and your carrots are all nice and soft. And they are done. So just like that, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here is seriously super quick, easy, and so delicious. And best part, very affordable. Now of course I like to squeeze a little lime juice on my picadillo y sopita de fideo. And I just like to serve it with some taquitos de queso and jalapeno. But just like that, it's seriously super simple and so delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So hearty, so flavorful, super delicious. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But just like that, I'll see you guys on the next one.